Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So have a look at, so in this video, I'm going to have a look at oil and what's been happening with oil for the last few months and the small picture, big picture as well too. So the last few months, what have we been seeing in the last few months? We've been seeing quite a nice rise, haven't we? Pretty much all through there. So that'll be that trend line through there. And as you can see, we're doing that through there. Pretty much a nice channel up through there. We've got a nice rise up, and if we bring up a parallel trend line and look at that, isn't that just magical? Isn't that just magical? Yippee doo day. All right, so so we have a resistance level here. We have our support came up towards this level through here. If I just project that down through there, as you can see, right, hit resistance, came down, resistance and resistance, and now it's actually sort of just hovering around this level through here. So we're getting quite a nice rise on this level. And if I bring up the last, say, 6 months, still quite a nice rise there, not really much. And as you can see, the reason why we're sort of faltering where we are right now, you can see back here in sort of June, if I squeeze it up actually a lot more, as you can see over this time through here, what do we got? We got what? You can see this whole level, actually, let me do this here, right? So you can actually see it's probably a bit higher, isn't it? Look at that, look at that, look at that, right there, 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 right? So as you can see, right, the reason why I did it, look at that, resistance through there, resistance through there. Obviously we had a little bit of support through here as well too, a little bit of support, we had a support through there, and that's where it's obviously stopped right now. So we're getting a bit of a pause where we are right now. I think that'll be fine, but I do see actually oil probably breaking back up towards this level through here. The ultimate big picture right now with oil is we're down here at ultra low levels. You know what? Let me bring up, say, a line chart here for a minute, and we'll go back to a line weekly. So as you can see, right, we had a nice rise, and then we had a big sharp drop, and now we're having a nice rise again. So there's pretty much, it's really not trending overall on the big picture, there is it, but on the small picture we can see a nice rise through here. So I wouldn't be too quite surprised to see oil, if it does go through a bit of a pullback first, then see it running up. Let me just check the open highlight close chart to see if I can see anything different through there. No, so we're looking to pause here a little bit. As you can see, right, I was saying before, like this whole level through here is indeed a massive resistance level. But if we break this 65 level, then this is probably going to head back up towards the 75 level through there on oil. So that's what I'm seeing there right now with oil, guys. Hey traders, I'm running a flash sale. It's a $7 flash sale to my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls trading course. If you go to johnsflashsale.com, you can get access to the $7 massive sale that I'm doing right now for a short time. So go to johnsflashsale.com and I'll see you over there.